Hello guys and welcome to the beauty of South Africa. I'm your host Nkululeko Cele and our channel is about travel, automotives and the fabulous lifestyle. And if this sounds good to you, you are in the right place. So if you find value in this video, please feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. All your contributions is important and crucial for the growth of our channel. In today's video, we are uncovering the hype about the Middle East fragrances that are said to be taking over the market. These Middle East fragrances are from Dubai to be precise. The fragrance community refers to these fragrances as clone fragrances. Please don't refer to them as fake. They are just inspired by expensive designer fragrances or smell like expensive designer fragrances that are already in the market. While they are able to do this, they come at a fraction of the price of the original designer fragrance. So in today's video, we will do the unboxing, the first impression, and in conclusion, I'll share my thoughts of the fragrance. And the fragrance that we are going to be unboxing is the Victorioso by Maison Alhambra. This fragrance is said to be smelling very similar to Pacco Robane's Victory Legend. So basically, the fragrance community refers to this fragrance as a clone of Pacco Robane's Victory Legend. And I know some of you might be thinking as to why I chose this fragrance in particular. And the reason for that is for this following video, which is done by Jensen's, a popular fragrance reviewer on YouTube.
So, Victory. I don't know, maybe you could have come up with a different name. I don't know. Victorioso Victory. Not great. Victory, essentially. You could just take a look at this and know immediately what they're doing. I mean, look at it. This is a clone of Pacco Robane's Invictus Victory. Victorioso Victory, Invictus Victory.
So yeah, guys, let's see if this fragrance is able to replace the real fragrance that it is cloning. So we'll begin with the unboxing and then we'll move on to smelling for that first impression. I go to the mall to go and test the real Pacco Robane's Victory, and then I would conclude with my take basically on this clone. So let's go. So as you can see in the beginning, this is the presentation. That's the sticker of authenticity. Yeah, the box is not bad. I give it, I would say, a 10 out of 10. It does the job. So this bottle that I have was produced in June of 2023. So basically it's been sitting for 6 months. And they say that these fragrances they mature over time. So I'm hoping it's gonna be good. There we go, the magic. The box, I don't think it can be used as a cutlery, so you can choose to throw it away. Yeah, but I must say I'm impressed with the bottle. The bottle looks very good. It's quality. I don't see anything wrong with the bottle. Yeah, the lid feels, it's plastic, but it feels nice. It feels nice on the hand. Yeah, I like the lid. Yeah, the bottle is very good. It's not, doesn't feel like a cheap box. Sorry, bottle. Yeah, and this is 100 ml, by the way. Okay, let's see the atomizer. Yeah, the atomizer is impressive. It's good. It does the job. I could resist the smell, that it smells good. Yeah, it smells good. Nothing special, I must say. Nothing special, but it does smell good. Well, at this stage, I'm not good when it comes to the notes. I'm still going to learn the notes so that when I do these reviews, I'm able to tell you exactly what it smells like. So after this, I'm going to go to the real deal, the real big dog, and see and smell if they smell similar. Okay. Yeah, let's do another spray. Yep. Okay, yeah, I'm impressed, but I must say that the smell is nothing really special, but it is good. It is good. There we go. So yep, guys, I did go to the mall, Liberty Mall in Pietermaritzburg, to go and test out the original fragrance, which is Pacco Robane's Victory, which the Maison Alhambra is basically cloning. But before I move on any further with basically telling you what my take of these perfumes are, I must mention that the scents of these perfumes are basically not my favorites. Yeah, but it doesn't mean that with you guys it's also gonna be the same. Probably you guys will love it, so I think it's best for you to go and try them. But then it is a fragrance that is unisex, meaning that a woman and men can wear it because it has that bit of a smokiness that's inside, but then it also has the fruity side of it. But basically I'm new in the fragrance game, so it doesn't really remind me of anything, of any particular fruit or flower. But basically through this journey, I will go and try and research the different scents so that I'll be able to tell you exactly what does it smell like. But these two fragrances are not reminding me of anything. So to me, they are not a special scent or anything. And another thing what I picked up from the fragrances is there is a bit of a medicinal note that's inside the fragrance. I don't know what it is, but there is a bit of a medicinal thing, but which doesn't say that it's a bad fragrance. It is a very good quality fragrance, meaning the clone. It's not very far from the original. So if I had to compare the differences between the two, I would say that the Maison Alhambra is 90% similar to the Big Dog, the original fragrance. What causes this, the 10% that is missing, is the fact that there are some notes that I was able to pick up in the original Pacco Robane, but I couldn't pick it up on the Maison Alhambra. But still, if you look at the price differences in South Africa, if you go to the shops with that sell fragrances, you'll find this for like 2,500 rands, in that range. If you look at the Maison Alhambra, it sells between 300 rands and 350. So I wouldn't really advise you to buy the Maison Alhambra for more than that. At least the highest price that you can, I would recommend you pay for it, is 400 rands. But I notice it's a fragrance that is very hard to find. It's very hard to find. At least in all shops where I was looking for it, I was only able to find it on Take-A-Lot. So yeah. So when it comes to projection, the Maison Alhambra is a very good projectile. It projects very good. It is strong. Both fragrances are strong. I think these fragrances will shine more in summer because of that fruitiness thing that's there. The smoky doesn't really shine a lot. There is a smoky, but I'd like it's just in the background. But the most thing that shines in this fragrance is the fruitiness that is inside. So I would recommend it for summer then winter. When it comes to longevity, it is very strong for the first 4 hours on the skin. Both of them, I think the original probably you'd say 5, but the Maison Alhambra I would say it's solid for 4 hours. After that it becomes a skin scent for another 4 hours. So basically I would say it's an 8-hour, basically 8-hour fragrance. It will last you on your skin. And then on the clothes, I think you just have to add another 2 hours basically on the clothes. So overall I'd say it's 12 hours fragrances, which is very good, Okay, are you missing out by buying the Maison Alhambra instead of the original fragrance? The answer to that is that no. But I would recommend for you to buy the original fragrance, since they own the scents. They are the first one who came with the scents, I think, because I haven't smelled anything that smells similar to it. So I would say that buy the original. But if you cannot afford the original and you want to save money, buy the Maison Alhambra. You are not missing out on anything. You are not missing out. The quality is similar, with just one note in between the fragrances. There is, since the Maison Alhambra is cloning the Pacco Robane, the Maison Alhambra is missing, but still that is not bad. It's not a bad thing. They still smell similar. So overall, I would recommend for you to also buy the Maison Alhambra. It's up to you basically. I think another question that you would like to know is that personally, will I still buy the Pacco Robane instead of Maison Alhambra? My answer is no. I won't buy Maison Alhambra. I won't buy Pacco Robane because obviously of the price. And obviously, as I did say, if you buy Maison Alhambra, you are not missing out. So my answer to that is, personally, I won't buy the 2000 rands fragrance that smells similar to a 350 rands fragrance. So yep, that's it from me, guys. Unkululeko Cele, from the beauty of South Africa, your host. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Basically, that contributes a lot to the growth of our channel. That will be all from me. Please put your comments down in the comment section. That's if you have smelled, you do have an experience of the two fragrances. Tell me what your thoughts is. Otherwise, I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.